Okay, don't ask me what time it is, I don't know. I don't care. I only care about my Father's time. My Father is God. I'm the unknown prophet of God, if you like it or not. I want to talk about the election, folks. And yeah, I did say directly Trump did win, folks. In a landslide. Definitely Trump did win. But yeah. But now they try to figure out what did go wrong and who are the cheaters and all that kind of thing. So, but I told you already, folks, it do not fit. Something very um, strange things are going on. Strange gameplay and well, this strange game, folks, is going on for a long time already. Every day there are new games. So yeah, folks, I know for sure that Trump did win, and they did do something dirty, so that the wrong party did win. I did say this directly when I saw this. I directly go to the internet and did say, no, folks, this do not fit. You know. So, yeah, you know, I'm a little bit quiet and I'm thinking what I need to say because I do not have much to say, you know, so only about Trump and Joe Biden, you know. But I really do not have much uh, to say and to explain and all that kind of things. I did not get dreams or visions, so yeah, my mouth is, you know, it will not move because, yeah, I did get nothing. I did get nothing. So, the only thing I saw, I did see directly that that Joe Biden did win. It do not fit, folks. Definitely no way. It do not fit. Trump did win easy. You also could see it when Joe Biden did talk in a parking lot. I mean a parking lot. When Trump talk, he need three football stadiums. You understand? And then still the people are standing outside. I mean, a parking lot, not that big, many big cars, you know. So, yeah, it was filled up with cars, but not with people. You know, it's a tricky thing. Eh? I see this thing and then I think, oh yeah, big cars, yeah, it fill up the place. but not with people, with cars. Well, watch it yourself, folks, and then you will understand that there are more cars than people. That's really true. Huh? That's why, it was a parking lot and not a big stadium, because Biden do not have that much like Trump. No way. That's why they did use a parking lot. And I thought, well, Joe Biden go talk there and gonna die. Because I saw some president dying, but I saw that it was Trump. It was inefficient. So I saw a man with gray hair coming out of it. But now these two presidents, they both do have gray hair, So, but I'm gonna watch this whole setup and the mistakes and the cheating and Trump and his people are fighting now to come back, it all belongs to the game, folks. So, yeah. But I like to talk about things, but then I come with old things, folks, and I don't want to talk about old things. If you like to listen to old things, go to my channel and you will hear all the things I ever did say, and repeatable. Definitely that I'm a child of God, and and I want that God will come, and and that people need to pay a high price for the coming of my Father God, and that many people will die, and well, the weather and the warnings are there. But I can tell you this every day, folks. Warning you for the weather and all that kind of things. You better take it seriously, because it's a dangerous world and it's a very dangerous time. And the time is really now to watch out. In any corner something dirty is lurking. So watch out, folks. I just want, But I'm gonna watch this thing with Trump and ah,